Hello. Today what I want to do is share a predator call that you can make from natural materials. What I have today is a piece of yellow birch bark. And what I'm going to do is use this as a predator call. Now, this is about the same thing as a blade of grass. When I was a young fella, you put it between your thumbs, you blow through, and that squeaky noise, well, I decided to try it with birch bark one day, and it does about the same thing. So if you take your thumbs and you go like this, you see that hole right through the center. That is where you put your blade of grass, or in this case, this birch bark. I'm going to pinch it like that and blow. And of course you always have to adjust so it's right. And each piece is going to be a little sharper and such. But this here can be a nice predator call. You call like that there, it wouldn't be long before you get some predators coming in. Like I said, you can move it around, and the tighter you get it, the sharper it is. You loosen up a little bit and it will flap a little bit more, and you get different tones that way as well. But I've also done this with blade of grass and so on. Just a quick tip that you may be able to use. Thanks for watching.